Hello, everyone. Think about the most successful person you know. What sets them apart? Is it their skills, their connections, their charisma, or perhaps something deeper? Imagine if the key to their success was a mindset that you could develop too. What could you achieve with that same mindset? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the characteristics of a success-oriented mindset, techniques to develop and maintain a positive mindset, how to overcome common mental barriers to success. Let's discuss the characteristics of a success-oriented mindset.
Growth mindset.
A success-oriented mindset starts with a growth mindset, as introduced by Carol Dweck. This mindset emphasizes the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Example: entrepreneurs like Bill Gates exhibit a growth mindset by continually learning from failures and using them as stepping stones to success. Resilience and adaptability. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, while adaptability is the willingness to change strategies when faced with new challenges. Both are essential for a success-oriented mindset. Real-world story: Vera Wang failed to make the U.S. Olympic figure skating team and was later passed over for the editor-in-chief position at Vogue. Instead of giving up, she turned her passion for fashion into a new career, becoming one of the world's most renowned wedding dress designers. Her resilience and ability to pivot in the face of adversity played a significant role in her ultimate success. Optimism and positive thinking. A positive outlook helps individuals remain motivated and persistent, even when faced with difficulties. Optimism doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather approaching them with a problem-solving attitude. Analogy: think of optimism as a pair of glasses that allow you to see opportunities in challenges, making it easier to navigate through tough times. Let's discuss how to overcome common mental barriers to success. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can paralyze you and prevent you from taking necessary risks. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity is crucial for a success-oriented mindset. Example: Colonel Harlan Sanders faced numerous rejections when trying to franchise his fried chicken recipe. He traveled across the country, sleeping in his car, and was rejected over 1,000 times before he finally found success with what would become Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. His persistence and view of rejection as stepping stones were necessary for his eventual triumph. Limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts that restrict your potential. Identifying and challenging these beliefs is essential for success. Example: if you believe "I'm not good at public speaking," you might avoid opportunities to speak. Challenging this belief and practicing can transform it into a strength. Procrastination. Procrastination often stems from fear or overwhelm. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps can help you overcome this barrier and stay productive. Analogy: think of a large project as a giant puzzle. Focusing on one piece at a time makes it less daunting and more achievable. Closing thoughts. Setting your mindset for success involves cultivating a growth mindset, resilience, optimism, using techniques for better efficiency. Overcoming mental barriers such as fear of failure, limiting beliefs, and procrastination is also crucial. A success-oriented mindset is not innate, it's something you can develop and strengthen with practice and persistence. Assignment. This week, choose one barrier to success, and write down a personal essay, reflecting on your or a loved one's experience with it and how they overcame it. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Grit: The Power of Passion and Perseverance by Angela Duckworth. This book explores the role of perseverance and passion in achieving success.